Oh, this is your boy Snake Nation. I just wanna say today, power to those who still hanging in there. Amajita asaqhubeka nokuphusha, asiphusheni kunzima la ngaphandle, but asinga give up majita, asiphushe as long as we chasing our mind, chasing our dreams. Kuzolunga, money will come. Let's not focus on money. Let's focus on improving ourselves, changing our mindset, and try to impact our life, impact our culture, and be realistic to whatever that we do. Mfethu konke kuyenzeka kwathi kudinga isikhathi. We need to manifest these lives. We need to tell ourselves ukuthi we're the gods, we're the creators, we're part of the creation as a whole, because thina singonkulunkulu abadala iy'mpilo zethu. Konke kuyenzeka, kukho okungenzeki. So yeah, it's crazy because all is mind. So whenever you change your mind, everything change about you, and everything change about impilo yakho, and you start to attract izinto ezintsha, kwenzeka ezinye izinto, you get new energy, new friends, new people, new opportunity. Let's go out there, senze lokho esikwenzayo, keep on hustling, keep on striving, let's stay disciplined majita. Ilokho nje bengikusho, shout outs.